So long for this game to just put it out of the door finally, and it's just this last stretch of polishing and just back fixing. I mean, the game is this non-linear RPG that allows you to fill the shoes of on the streets of a night city, and we put so much work into making sure that the city feels the best. The game runs as smooth as possible, and at this stage of the production, we are at the moment when we are optimizing the most and putting lots of work into finding ways, how to make Night City run really smooth, because the city itself is gigantic. It has lots of layers, there's lots of different NPCs, the texture budget is just insane, so there's lots of tricks, and our technical magicians are doing their best really to just pull it off in the best possible way. So I think those are the
Tom, why are you gonna pan out there?
Diabetes.
Do you not think my mate who just got brought home wants to go home?
Yeah, but who was throwing bottles at the guard?
What do you mean he was throwing bottles at the guard?
Alright, take that sword all you want at the end of the day. Whatever, look, I'm only being arrested.
Alright, wait, I'm arrested.
Yes, good on! Get the fucking two of them! That's the job! Get the fucking two of them out of here! Well done, lads! Now shut your mouth and get that fella too! Get out! Get out, you prick! Get out! Get out! Get the fuck out! Get the fuck out, you scumbag! Good lads! Well done, lads! Thanks a lot! Now we can all go home! You three pricks! Well done, lads! Don't go!
You're amazing. Okay, that's probably gonna go ahead and call her.
No lie, you do this to me, I'm coming back to get you. I ain't even gonna hold you. Sit down. Stop playing with me, boy. Oh, you in the stretcher. What type of jiu-jitsu, martial arts, karate did he just do? Sit down. Oh, and he put him in a stretcher, hands folded. I want to learn that. He really just got him out of here 2.5. Watch how he get him out here. 1, 2. He dead, yo. He probably put his thumb in his Adam's apple, though. My son folded ASAP. Oh, look at his teeth.